Betty Bob. Betty Bob. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Silly boy. Are you a silly boy? Oh, didn't mean to startle you. What? What's that?
He doesn't hate his life, that's for sure.
Yeah. It's tough being a woodchuck, isn't it? Hi, honey. Are you awake? Are you awake? I'm sorry.
He was so grateful about you last night.
Huh? Are you okay? How's your toes? How's your toes? I'm such a handsome fella. Okay, what you doing there? How goes it, Betty Bob? How goes it? Oh, bless you. Bless you.
I need to clean his cage.
You're almost as handsome as Nigel. Oh, he's going to bed.
Yeah, I told you.
He doesn't like to go in his where he's sleeping. He's very neat. So he waits till we let him out of his cage to go to the bathroom. Huh?
Takes a lot of concentration.
Yes. Yeah. Hi, honey. You're a little crooked, huh?
Great.
Are you getting ready to steal? Are you getting ready to steal? That's not your food. And it's got lots of rabbit poo and stuff on it, so you can't have it.